The next technique is based on progresses. In order to load the progress data, I have to click on the load progress data button. New sheets will open. I have my escape data already opened. I have to copy 3 rows. First is my time scale. The second one is the cumulative plan progress. It has to be in the same order. And then the next one is physical percent complete or cumulative actual progress. I have to paste them in the second row, and as soon as I click on the submit data, application will calculate the SPIT average and standard deviation. I'll use these data for analysis. Number of the iteration, I will keep it on 1,000. I'll click on the run analysis based on the progress. Analysis has been done quickly, and as you see here, we have again 3 probabilistic finish date with a performance 94%. Please note there is no relationship between these days that I have and the progress data. They are just for their presentation and demonstration purpose. So based on the progress data, we realize that the performance is 94% and the project could finish on May 2021. So we can see between the 2 options. This option was showing performance based on a 69%, and this option was calculating the performance 94%. So higher the performance, earlier the dates. Once we have completed the analysis for all the packages, we can see the combined charts. Just click on the combined probability chart and we can see the results all together. So we have 4 scenarios that includes 3 packages, and the last package has 2 sets of the data. And as you see here, we can pick it up that, for an example, piping contract is the driver of the project finish date in this stage. And if we want to finish the project earlier, we have to emphasize to improve the performance of the piping. And after that, the civil contract, that's the driver. And if we want to bring it earlier, then we have to improve the performance and productivity rate of the civil contractor as well. Again, we can copy the information into another Excel file. Just simply click on this icon and we can save the information in another Excel file. The last analysis tab is resource analysis. This tab has been specifically designed for construction activities where we could get quantity or BOQ of the works. So let's add some data in here and perform the analysis. I will add installation as an example, and data date, let's keep it June 2020. The target quantity or remaining quantity 120,000, and slowdown ratio will happen at 85% as per the S-curve, and after that earning trends will be 35% of the normal progress. So let's add this one. Installation has been added. I will add resource mobilization here. Let's say at the beginning we have only 30 people available, and it is from June 2020. Working days, let's assume it is 20 days because of the climate situation, and effective dates, it has to be same as the previous one or the data date. And production rate, let's say it is 3.5 square meter per resource and 1.5 square meter is a standard deviation, and effective date is 1st of June. Let's add this one. As per the plan, we will be adding 60 resources from beginning of August, and the working days will move up to 24, and the rest stays the same, so I will take them out. I will add resources to 100 people from beginning of October, and the working days will stay the same, and I'll take them out. We will continue with 100 people for next about 1 year, and after 1 year we will start demobilizing our resources. Let's say we will have 50 resources in June 2021. So I will add this one. So this is our resource mobilization plan, and if we run the analysis based on these data, let's see how does it look. So analysis has been completed. As you see here, the P20 date is July 2022, November 2022 for P60, and P80 is December 2022. We have the two charts, probabilistic completion date and probabilistic progress curve. So the date, P80 date is very close. So we have two options here. We either add another scenario, we can call it insulation 1, or I can delete one of the rows in here, and instead of 50 people, I will say we will be having 60 in June 2021. So I will run the analysis again. So the date has been improved. As you see here, P20 is April, P60 is July, and P80 date is September. And I would say this is acceptable comparing to our project finish date, which is December 2022. So this is the process for resource analysis. As you realize that it is very simple and basic, and you don't need to have much of Excel or project experience to use the application. The number of the packages that we can add, there's no limit, and as much as we have information, we can add them all. And the number of the rows for the mobilization plan and production rate, there's no limit also, and we can add as much as data that we have available. The same applies for the other tabs. There is no limit in the number of the packages and number of the scenarios that we can assign to the packages. So this is it, our new application, Corner Analysis Toolkit. Please let me know if you have any question. I would like to see your questions, and if you have any comments also, please let me know. I will answer them all. Thank you very much. Bye.